Hello, today I am going to show you how to change quality in Netflix. So the first thing to do is to simply go to your Netflix account. Now, to simply change the settings or to simply change quality in Netflix, all you have to do is to go to your account, tap this three dots here, and then kindly go to settings. Now, once you tap settings, you have to search or look for the option that says account. Okay, tap this account details under account. So once you tap this one, if you're using your laptop or your PC, it will take you directly into a web browser. Now, this is your account. All you had to do is to look for change plan. Tap this one, or let's just say the plan details, and make sure that you are subscribed to standard or premium. As you can see here, if you're using a premium, then guaranteed that it offers best video quality in Ultra HD 4K and HDR. Spatial audio available. So you have to choose either standard and premium in order for you to change the quality in Netflix. That's the first method. Another is you have to go to your account again and look for profile and parental controls, and then look for that account. Actually, I'm using Shimin. This is my account in Netflix. Tap this one and then scroll down and look for playback settings. Okay, tap playback settings and make sure that you chose this number 4 here, which is high. So in that way, as you can see, you are 100% sure that you are watching high quality video and also its audio. So number 3 or the third option is you have to watch your Netflix on a web browser, particularly Microsoft Edge. So in that way, you can see that the movies you're watching is in high quality or the videos are high quality. And these are the methods on how to change quality in Netflix. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.